Nail Soup Media. We specialize in websites, web communities, and internet products.
Okay, so here's a website, and we're going to show you how to edit it. So if you want to edit the home page, if you want to edit, back pages, the thing to do is you go here. This is the page, right? The first thing you got to do is you log in. Okay, so once you log in, you'll see this. You'll see this whole black bar. So you click on this, and this lets you go straight to the page that you want to edit. So if I go here, now you're going to see it in a format that, and this is called objects building. So like here's the page, right? You click on edit, and it goes to the specific page. Okay. Now this is done it's called objects formatting. This is an easy one, but what you have to do is you don't edit this. You put your mouse over the text or over the image, and there's the edit button, and that's where you go, and you go to change it. You hit save, and then you have to hit update. Every time you do, it's a two-step process. You just remember, you never save once. You have to save twice. You save and update. So that's number one. So now let's go back to the front page of the site, where you can see, and some pages are like this. You have multiple components. You have all these components, and I'll get to the other thing in a minute. But let's about the sidebar. The sidebar is a separate area that you have to go edit. But now, as you get into it, you'll see that you see all these things and how they are. This is designed to prevent you from screwing up the site, because what happens is people that don't know much about programming, they think they can do it because their buddy said he did it when he really didn't, but he's just making it seem like he's a pro. And you go and you start editing text. Next thing you know, the whole page is jacked up. Well, these are put into segments so that if you mess up one area, that's all you mess up. You don't mess up the whole page. Okay, so here's how you look at it. There's a lot of different boxes. So this box here covers this whole area here, but you don't do any of this. And even this is a box that covers the things that are inside here. So you don't edit this. What you do is like right now, you want to edit this, right? This box, this area. You click on this. You don't edit this. You don't edit this, any of this. You go straight to here. So you click on that, and up pops up the editor. Now the editor, you want to make sure that there's two lines. If there's never two, if it shows one line, then you want to go to here, and it toggles the second line down so you can see all your choices. They have text mode if you know about coding, or you just go to the visual, and it's called what you see is what you get. When you edit this and you see it like this, it'll show up that way on the website. Now don't forget, after you change it and you hit save, you have to update it. Otherwise, you're not going to see the difference. Now, another thing about the site is that when you do a change and you go out front and you go, well, it didn't change. That's because we use a WP Engine, which has a way to make the site load faster, but at the same time, it takes a snapshot of the page, and you have to go up top here, highlight that, hit the control button and the F5 button on your computer, and it does what's called a hard refresh. It clears the cache and gives you, this. So now let's go into another segment. See the sidebar here, that sidebar stuff? Well, that's determined by going to appearance and then going to widgets. And when you go to widgets, you'll see some terminology. So there's the blog sidebar, there's a homepage sidebar, and then there's all these other areas. You want to get yourself familiar with it, so that way you know where, like, here's the footer, and then there's just different elements. So what you want to do is you want to get familiar with it, and then anytime you have any questions, just email support. It's support@nailsoupmedia.com. We'll be able to totally help you there, or nailsoupmedia@gmail. They're either both are manned by people 24/7. 7 days a week. Now, it may take a couple hours to get back to you, or it may take a full day. It just depends on the workload, but we'll do our best to get back to you. Okay. I hope that helps. We have a video library that when you log in, we're updating it right now, so it'll be in here. You'll see a thing that says videos that you'll be able to see all the video tutorials that we have about how to do things. Okay, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, just reach out. Thanks.